and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I am Tera. Welcome. So we are continuing our Vera Bradley month here on my channel. Thank you to everyone for watching. I hope you're enjoying my fun unboxing and all the fun shorts I have up for you guys, and you're here on the journey with me growing my Vera Bradley collection. So I appreciate everyone who is watching. Thank you. Today I have two orders that came from eBay, and it's okay, the address on there is my PO box, so that's why I'm not worried. But these came a little late. I was thinking they're not gonna make it for my teddy bear Vera Bradley thing I have going on here, so I'm excited that they made it. So let's jump right in. It's pieces I bought separately. As you can see, it's two different orders, but they're the same thing. Same design. I wanted them to go together. When I saw these, I had to have it for my teddy bear theme going on here for the Vera Bradley month. And are you ready? I haven't looked in there, so it is that. Yeah, okay. There it is. I had to, guys. Of course, I had to order the teddy bear bag to go with all my beautiful teddy bears in my collection already, and the new ones I've gotten. So far these have all been shown. They're in the playlist. If you haven't watched, go watch. It'll be linked on the bottom. Look at this. Cozy quilted teddy bears. Does it get any better? What a great item for the season. You know, it's holidays are coming. I thought these are gonna be so cute. I can't wait to use them. And let's see what, oh, she put something in there. Oh, how sweet. She put a little hair band set in there for me. That's nice. How cute, as a gift. Very sweet. Thank you to the seller. And if you're watching, wouldn't it be funny if she was on here? If you're on here, thank you. I appreciate that. Look at the inside. It is gorgeous teal color. I just love the color. You guys know I love my green. Yes, I consider teal in the green family. So in the front here, has a nice pocket. It's a nice size. Great for travel. It is a crossbody. I will show you guys how you can crossbody. It is shoulder or crossbody. You just adjust the strap to it. Even the strap has the cute little teddy bears on it. I'm going to come closer so you guys can see it. Okay. There you have it, and you can see the name. I didn't even say the name. I was so excited. Okay. So this is called Essential Extra Large Crossbody. And it is the Toasty Teddies. That's what they're called. Toasty Teddies. Look how adorable. I wish the inside had a nice, fun fabric too, but I can see why they made it just this beautiful color, because they don't want to take away from the outside. This is a nice size pocket. Zipper. Even the zipper pole has the teddy bears, guys. That is adorable. And then the back, just plain, there's nothing. Has a large pocket on top. Zipper, look at that, it has a pocket inside. And then on this side, it does have some organization to pockets. Just adorable. Thought this is gonna be so good for my Vera Bradley month. Look at it. So cute. I got it at a real good price. I can't remember offhand, but I did make offer and she took it. So it's really nice as a crossbody. Let me show you. Let's see. Yeah, it works. See, for me it works. I can even make it a little longer, but I like it to hit right here under my imaginary mid. But so you would have some people I know wear this pocket on the other side, so you put like your valuables here, like a phone and your say your wallet, and they wear it the other way, so it's to your body, but I don't mind. I like it like this. So yeah, that's how it looks on me. I am about 5'7", a lot of pounds, if that helps. I am a plus size, and I think it hits me right where I like it. Very cute, very cozy. That it's going to be perfect for our Vera Bradley month here. I hope you're enjoying the Vera Bradley month. Let me know which ones of the pieces I've gotten so far you like. I have the camera set up this way so you can see the teddy bears mostly. That's all the stuff we got. Now look how cute, guys, the journal with the teddy bears. It's going to be so fun for this. These journal sets, I did find some on eBay, but they're selling it more on eBay than on the website. Go get it from the website, guys. They're a 2-pack. And the website, like this is a 2-pack. I have more coming up. You'll see the other patterns I got from Vera Bradley directly. They are cheaper there. So from what I found in my research. So if you find one cheaper than the website on eBay, go ahead and take it. But I found that these were a little bit cheaper on the website than on eBay. The second piece, of course, I have to have something to match so I can use it as a wallet. Although I don't know if I can open this. Let me see. Come on. I put some nails on for you guys because I didn't like the way it looked without my nails. And now I can't function with the nails. Okay, yeah, there it is. And of course, I had to get a little wallet to go with it. And this is a little thank you note. Okay, and here is a little wallet. Come close. Look how cute. I don't know, on this side they kind of got their heads kind of chopped off. I don't like that, but it's okay. On this side it looks good. With these fabrics, of course, you have to be there in the store and pick out the one you want. Since I'm ordering it online, you know, I don't have a choice. But yeah, if I was at the store, I wouldn't pick the ones with the little bit cut off. I don't like that, but I do like the side. It's okay. Again, it has the wristlet here, and it has the teddy bear pattern all over the wristlet and on the cute little pools. I love this. Soft and cozy. So this one is called Essential Zip Wristlet Toasty Teddies. Okay. I didn't pay a lot for it, so I'm okay with it. If I had paid a lot for it, I would probably send it back. But no, I like it. I don't mind. Inside, cute, gorgeous teal. I love this teal. You guys know I love my teals. It's a perfect teal. Very nice mintiness to it. I love it. Zipper matches. Has the area for your cards. It's just a regular wristlet. 3. An open space for everything you need for your wallet. Very, very cute. There you have it, guys. My Vera Bradley for today. I think it's adorable. What do you think? Do you like it? Love it. Oh, some of them got cut off here too. I guess I'll wear it this way. Yeah, this way looks a lot better for me. Yeah, it's okay. There you go, guys. Let me just show you that this pocket here is really big. It fits in no problem. And there you have it. Our Vera Bradley for today. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you are subscribed. Hit that notification for more cuteness. Not all the pieces are going to be teddy bears, as you guys saw. I think maybe 2 videos already, if not 1 at least. My office supply and I think a couple of shorts. I'm not sure the order. These are going to pop up. I am putting them all up before I go for my travel, so I'm hoping that they will pop up in the correct order. If not, it's okay. Just watch all of them. So there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for stopping by. I will see you guys in the next video. Mwah. Bye.